back to my channel. Today we're testing a brand new foundation that has been everywhere lately, and I've gotten so many DMs asking if it's actually good or is it just more beauty hype. So this is the NYX Make 'em Wonder Soft Matte Buildable Foundation, and right away the claims caught my attention because it says it's soft matte, it says it's buildable, skin-like, and infused with skincare. And many of you already know, anytime a foundation promises matte without looking flat or dry, I am interested. But before we get into the application, let's talk about what this foundation says it does. It's supposed to give you a soft matte finish that still looks like skin. It's buildable from light to medium coverage, and it's infused with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So in theory, this should be something that works for everyday makeup, those long days, and even oily skin without feeling heavy. I'm starting here with clean skin, moisturized only, no primer today, because I really want to see how this performs on its own. If a foundation can't stand on its own, I don't trust it. Okay, texture check. This is definitely more fluid-like than I expected. It's not thick, it's not mousse-like, and it's not super watery either. It honestly feels more like a serum foundation, which is interesting for something that claims to be matte. I'm going to start with one pump and apply it to half of my face so we can really see the difference. I'm using my fingertips first because that's how most people apply makeup from day to day, and then we'll try it with the tools. Wow, okay, my first impressions, this blends really easily, like immediately. It's not sticking to dry patches, it's not grabbing, and it's kind of melting into my skin instead of just sitting on top. This is just one thin layer, and honestly, the coverage is better than I expected. The redness is definitely softened, my skin tone definitely looks more even, and it still looks like my skin. And the finish, this is what I call a true soft matte. It's not flat, it's not powdery, and it's definitely not dewy. It's that velvety, blurred skin look. So let's build it up a little because this is supposed to be buildable. I'm adding just a touch more around my cheeks and chin and under my eyes where I generally do want more coverage. Okay, so as you can see, this layers beautifully. There's no caking, no weird texture, no separating. It's giving more coverage without looking heavier, which is exactly what I want from a buildable foundation. So I went ahead and just grabbed a brush and I lightly blended the foundation out just to see how it plays with tools. And the brush works great too, I have to say. It doesn't streak, it doesn't lift the product underneath, and it's still blending seamlessly into the skin. So let's compare sides for a second. This side has the foundation and this side doesn't. The difference is subtle but very polished. My skin just looks smoother, more even, and slightly blurred, but not fake. So let's talk about how it feels. It feels very lightweight. I have to admit, as a skincare junkie, I am obsessed with this skincare infused formula. It is enriched with vitamin C, and it also does have hydrating hyaluronic acid in it. So this formula delivers instant and long-lasting moisture that will help keep your skin feeling soft, smooth, radiant, and refreshed. I do love the blurred, shine-free look that it gives to your complexion, and it gives you this smooth, it also feels breathable on your skin, and so that's something really special, how weightless it is and how, again, breathable it feels on your skin. Once it's on, I didn't even really feel like it was sitting on my skin, which is impressive for a matte foundation. If you have oily or combination skin, I think the finish is going to be really appealing to you beauties as well. It already looks controlled without powder, but not dry. So I went ahead and set it very lightly with powder because that's what I would normally do, especially for long wear. The powder went on beautifully over this. There was no patchiness, no clinging, and no weird texture. It honestly looks better once it's set. But let me go ahead and zoom in so you can really see the skin's texture. This is where foundations usually either shine or fail. Something I note about this foundation too is that it has so much coverage, I didn't even feel like I needed concealer. So I am very impressed. You can still see skin, you can see pores, but it's softened, and it's not too blurred where it looks unnatural. Fine lines are not emphasized, and it's not settling into texture. This is the kind of foundation I would reach for when I want my skin to look really good in real life and not just on camera. So let's talk about wear. I've had this on now for a few hours while filming, moving around. I've had lights on my face, and so far it's holding up really well. I don't see any separation. I don't see any oil breaking through aggressively, and yet it still looks fresh. If you're someone who hates that heavy makeup-like feeling from matte foundations, I really think this formula might surprise you. So let's talk about the shade range for a moment. NYX did a really solid job here. There are lots of shades, undertones are thoughtful, and it's not just the same undertones repeated in different depths. So if you struggle with shade matching, I still recommend checking in your store if you can, but the range is definitely there. And let's talk about the price for a second, because this matters. This foundation is affordable, and for the quality you're getting, the blendability, the finish, the wear, honestly, this is affordable makeup better than high end. This feels like something you'd expect from luxury brand makeup, especially with how skin-like it is and how the finish is just so incredible. So what do you think this foundation is best for? I think normal, combination, and oily skin types are going to love this. Dry skin can still wear it. This really is somewhat hydrating too. It's very unique. If you like a super dewy glossy skin look, this might be a little matte once you set it with powder, but if you love that soft blurred editorial skin finish, this is right up your alley. So the final verdict, I really love this. It's one of those foundations that just works. It's easy to apply, easy to build, forgiving on texture, and comfortable to wear. So I'm actually wearing the foundation now after I did, again, set it with powder, and I did add blush and some bronzer. And I have to tell you, I am a person that always feels like I need concealer because I have dark circles under my eyes. I have a lot of hollowing. And yet I have to tell you, I'm not wearing any concealer right now, and I don't even feel like I need it. I have never really experienced that with a foundation before, where, you know, I just don't feel like I need concealer. That's pretty much never happened to me. Ever since I was a child, I wanted concealer because I just feel like I have really dark circles under my eyes, and I'm very self-conscious about them. But shockingly enough, I don't have any concealer on right now. I didn't feel like I needed concealer. So that makes this foundation absolutely outstanding. And I do love the finish. I think it is so beautiful. If you don't set it with too much powder, actually do think it stays quite dewy and, you know, glass skin looking. So it is hydrating because it does have those skincare ingredients in it. So although some people say this is a soft matte, I feel like there is hydration there. So you get a matte finish somewhat, but, you know, you also get the hydration. So it's an incredibly unique foundation makeup product. It's really amazing. I am so shocked. I am absolutely in love with it, as you could probably tell. And so I couldn't wait to come and share this foundation with you beauties, because I really think so many of you would absolutely love this.
NYX Cosmetics just launched a new foundation and is given filter in a bottle. It's the new Make and Wonder Soft Matte Foundation. Literally just one swipe and you're getting instantly blurred skin. Like, can we just take a moment for that coverage? And that shade match that is literally undetectable. Also, the formula of this foundation is unlike anything I've ever tried. It actually feels so lightweight and it's packed with skincare, but you're still getting that soft matte blurred filter-like finish. It's also super long wearing, so your skin is gonna look flawless all day. Honestly, if you want filtered looking skin, then you need to give this a go.
On a scale to 1 to 10, I'm giving this a solid 10 because, especially for everyday wear, the price, I mean, if you've tried this foundation already, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And if you want me to do a full day wear test, an oily skin check-in, or compare this to other matte foundations out there, let me know what you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you beauties in the next one.